Hello, my green collegians. I'm your plantologist, Archie Warner. The shrub you are looking at today is the Wine Roses Weigela. And now that you've taken a few moments to read up on its basics, I'm going to grow your knowledge and tell you just what makes this shrub so special. For starters, just looking at its bold blackish purple leaves will show you why this shrub is so valuable in the landscape. When placed anywhere near traditional green plants, the Wine Roses Weigela will demand your attention in the garden. As spring comes to an end, this Weigela takes it up a notch as it flushes numerous bright fuchsia-colored trumpet-shaped flowers that dramatically contrast with its leaves. The Wine Roses Weigela also has a neat and dwarf growth habit, only reaching 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. This gives it the ability to fit into numerous spaces within your landscape and also makes it a very low maintenance shrub. Being a variety of Weigela makes it very tolerant to deer browsing. This shrub performs best in full sun, but can tolerate a medium amount of shade. It also has the ability to thrive in many soil conditions, with the exceptions of overly saturated clays. The Wine Roses Weigela works great when used as a foundation planting in front of your home, or in large groupings that have green backdrops to contrast with. This shrub is a must-have for your garden because it offers a total season color display without relying on flowers. Well, so long, my garden collegians, and as always, if you ever need additional help, never hesitate to ask.